Never played it.
Yeah. Yeah, Jay told me a couple of years back and I was like, oh, no, never.
Yeah.
So,
I'm plugging in this first. Did you get any sleep last night?
2 hours.
2 hours? Jesus. I ain't got that much.
Roger, how's their week? Roger Clemson died the other day. It was like they did a song about Roger Clemson.
Yeah.
And then the Liberal Party came out and said that they worked out why dinosaurs went extinct, and they had the song, I know why dinosaurs went extinct.
Right.
It's because they learned to suck their own
And this bloke knows.
Hello. This will play a part in what's happening.
Frenzal Rhomb rider. And
A few no's on there, mate.
yeah, pretty long. Gun.
Surprise. What's going on?
How are ya?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, not bad. How you doing?
Good. We'll see you.
Oh, just bloody making sure Frenzal Rhomb have enough to drink.
Putting that weird Sydney beer in there, are you?
Yeah, we got bloody Coronas, mate. I was as surprised as anyone by yesterday. No, they're alright. They can have them.
They wanted
What they want?
an assortment of whole and sliced fruit. So we got this. So there's the whole fruit, and it must include some bananas, a kilo of carrots.
Kilo of carrots?
Yeah, they did specifically want Helga's light right and two crunchy peanut butter, a salsa with plain corn chips. They wanted, so there's the sliced fruit. They wanted hummus.
Hang on, I can't see it.
This is Frenzal approved couch. Is this the
Yeah.
Make sure it's.
They wanted some, we got some nice little vegan dips there. And some nice little Mickey naps there that they can dip. Some more fruit, because apparently they like
What's
fruit.
in here?
They wanted vegetables. And they said on it, they wanted like cucumbers, capsicum, baby carrots. And obviously these things were for dipping. But they on the rider, they said, what did they say? They wanted
Not too much celery.
not too much celery, so we got no celery because they didn't specify too much or too little.
That's the one, mate.
But yeah, there's stuff other than capsicum under there, and I did double wrap it. There's a layer between the capsicum
Like
that's
the
cut
bloody
and the
noodle
rest.
shop, mate.
Yeah, mate. They're right. They wanted their Coke, and we left them some at Goodalax. They're playing with Goodalax out at Blacken on Sunday. So we left them what Goodalax left of their rider. If you know the band Goodalax, it's named after a laxative, an Austrian laxative.
Yeah, it's about what it sounds like as well.
And that's
Oh,
so,
nice.
Yeah,
That is. Look at the
so
state of that.
I literally-
Hang on. I got it. No, bring it back. Oh, yummy.
But I really did. I texted them.
That'd be my first pick.
Texted them before, and I said because they put up that they can't wait to play with Goodalax because Goodalax played here last night. So I texted them and I was like, "You better make what the questions you should be asking are how good did they clean that stage after Goodalax, and
Is it safe to touch?
well,
that beer doesn't look too good.
And does this tote always smell like that?"
What do you reckon, health and safety officer?
I reckon there's no difference between before and after Goodalax played with the Tote stage. Don't give us a cuddle, Shane.
But I did. I got him a nice, nice
Pomegranate.
nice-
That's
nice
what
mango.
you want. You f***ing right up.
Pomegranate.
Incredibly
I got
hard to eat evil
donut
corn.
peaches. A really nice pear. I forgot what type it is. It was a Japanese. some
Nashi
sort
or
of-
some shit.
No. It's like some Japanese special pear. So that's their whole fruit. I think that's all they got. And I got
Oh,
some really
no
good
lamps.
bread.
Killing me. You look like you're in a tanning salon, dude.
They're sweet. And everyone knows that they haven't got their glasses. And then they've got to get pizza as well.
Sweet.
Anything else? Well, we already got it. No, we must do it from different angles. Again and again. And again and again and again.
We're doing it again and again and again.
Everything. You asked me to get the camera out.
Oh, well, I'm going to consolidate them up. Oh,
Jesus, mate. What are you doing?
well, I'm going to consolidate the bar.
Oh, I was just going to do everything with the band.
Oh, with the band?
Yeah, I don't want
Well,
you
what
to follow
about-
your around in the bar for 5 hours.
Stop the bars. You better film me actually working behind the bar, it'd be nice.
Proof.
He does do it.
Everyone will think we're doing it on purpose. See, he's here. He just refer everyone to this video.
He only wakes me on the bar when there's no one here.
That's pretty much it. So.
I mean, obviously I'm going to need it, but yeah, cool. So you've got the first 4 out.
Yeah, the monitors, so left, right, centre drums, that's patched and up.
Hi, I'm with Jay from Frenzal Rhomb. Hi, Jay.
Can't have everything.
So, first gig at the Tote.
First gig at the Tote. Who would have thought?
Yeah, what? And how long's it been? You've been a band from what?
30 years.
30 years.
Maybe more.
Yeah. Why no Tote?
Listen, it's a good question. I reckon when we first ever came down to Melbourne, people f***ing hated us. And I felt like the Tote was like a cool venue, and like we weren't cool.
Yeah,
like
right.
not cool enough. When we first came down here, we played with bands like Hoss and Powder Monkeys and stuff. We played like Punters Club, and I think we played with Powder Monkeys in Geelong, and we just knew instantly that we weren't as cool as they were, and their crowd let us know.
Yeah.
Like they were very hostile to us. People were turning their backs on us, and
Gotta love that.
yeah, it was, you know, and like in the back of my mind, I was like, we'll break you at some point. But it took us a long time, and but those bands were great.
Yeah.
But yeah, the Tote was always a bit out of reach for us for some reason.
Really?
And then, you know, I don't know if you know, but I'm kind of a big deal now.
Yeah.
And so
I've seen.
we sort of, I guess we played a lot of the art house. That was our sort of place, and we could sort of stay upstairs. I mean, we're staying here.
Yeah, well, I
Staying
mean,
here.
the luxury.
Actually, this is better than the art house was.
Only mildly. The fact that our fridge works is probably the.
Yeah. But yeah, we all sort of became sort of an art house band. I noticed in Melbourne too, like it can be quite tribal. Like there are sort of certain bands attached to certain pubs and stuff like that, and we just sort of became the art house bands, and the art house band and the Tote bands were like a whole different thing, like your Magic Dirts and your Cosmic Psychos and you know, cool bands.
Cool bands.
Yeah, we were too poppy or fast or something.
Not enough flannel.
Yeah, probably.
We're probably just wearing the flannel.
I mean, I wore a flannel.
Yeah, but did it count?
No, probably not.
No, unless Sydney.
I wasn't injecting drugs. Maybe that was the problem.
Probably. I don't know what we're talking about. But you guys have played here before. Like, I think everyone in the band's played at the Tote once.
Yeah, Dal was saying he's never been here, but I think everyone else probably has. I don't know about Lindsay. We've definitely been here a lot, but yeah, I mean, you know, we love playing here and all the other incarnations of our life. And how good is it that we get to play tonight?
Yeah, it's going to be grand. I'm actually scared. Made Leanne actually take the night off lasties, so.
Oh.
Yeah, so she's coming.
Oh, good.
Because she's usually at last chance. So.
Yeah.
And she was like, no.
Oh, very good.
But yeah. So 25 years since the Man's a Camel. We did that tour this year. This one is still not a Camel.
Yeah.
And then what does it mean for next year or the year after? Isn't that the Shut Your Mouth?
We're going to skip that one because it is our worst album of all time. I think about 8 people disagree with me on that.
Yeah.
On the whole planet.
In the whole planet.
Yeah. But yeah, we're going to just quietly skip that. And I don't know, like we sort of resisted the sort of album tour concept for a long time. And then I started thinking I'm just a f***ing snob because people really like it.
Yeah.
But then also they think that they want to hear all the songs of a record. They don't.
They just want to hear
They just want to hear the ones they know, which we play every time we play.
Yeah.
So them.
Excellent marketing. I'm going to ask you about some weird shit. You seem to be a man with a finger on the pulse.
Oh yeah, thanks.
You're right. What do you reckon of the young bands getting around? Who do you like? I mean, there's heaps in Sydney.
Yeah, there's lots coming through my studio. I mean, you know, we're mutual fans of the Coffin Band.
Oh, we are, yes.
Just been working on their new record.
Oh, yes, I've had a bit of this.
It's very exciting.
Yeah.
I was trying to think who's come through lately. There's so many bands. I had a cool band called the Bush Doofs.
The Bush Doofs.
Bush Doofs, yeah. sort of chatsy, sort of rock and roll guys, but they're all like sort of in their early 20s and yeah, real dialed in sort of music. Dig them. I don't know. You put me on the spot. There's too many.
Too many bands, isn't it? Like, there's too many bands to remember. Yeah, but it's good fun. So what else been happening? Pet food factory's moved, and technically what we do here is a pub renovation show. Did that mean that you had to renovate that? Oh, yeah.
You're doing well, no? Go on.
Thank you. Yeah. Did you have it? What was it like moving to a studio and doing all that?
It was punish. Actually, the worst part about it was demolishing the old place because I didn't realise that we had to demolish it, and I got quoted like $5,000 for the people that I was subletting off to do it. And I was like, oh come on! It's like literally one room, well, like a room within a warehouse. Like surely I could just raise an army of people, and yeah, people nearly died, but yeah, got out of there for like an $800 skip and about bloody 50 cases of Cooper's Green.
That's alright.
So that wasn't too bad. Yeah, the new place is bloody lovely.
Yeah,
I love it.
Yeah. Because what is this, the third factory?
It is the third incarnation, yes.
Yeah.
Definitely the nicest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The night is plush.
Oh yeah, mate. Mid-century furnishes, little lamps.
Really?
You know.
You're obviously like decorating that.
No, Lauren is.
Yeah. That's the one thing we've got in common. We've got like
wives with a good eye.
Yeah, partners that are way better than us.
That's true. Yeah, no, I relied on the kindness of all our friends and neighbours and stuff. Because all these people have these skills that I don't have. Like you would find that as well. Like the people around you have all this. Like we know this fantastic upholsterer who did like a beautiful, 1960s style couch, and people that could come in and do all the wiring and all that stuff, and painting. People painted it for free.
All the good stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very nice.
One of the things we're probably thinking about in the thing is the community, because this is raised off the community. What do you think good things that people in the music community can do to support bands?
I don't know, play music. Just sort of go out. I mean, there's thing people my age, like there's a lot of miserable, like men are worse than women, I think. Like a lot of miserable men my age that are like just sort of think their lives are over because the 90s ended or something. Or they just kind of...
These are the guys in the comments who are like,
yeah.
This is the f***ing same, like music was way better in the 90s.
Yeah, it's the worst. And I always think like when there's someone in my feed that's like ragging on some young band or whatever, like it might not be my vibe, the band or whatever, but they're just, the vitriol is like beyond the pale.
Yeah,
and
there are a lot of bands in the 90s.
But my take home is like there must be something good about this band.
Yeah.
Like if these people are like passionate enough to go out there and hate it so much, and there always is, like, it's just these young kids having a crack, and I love it. And there's so many, like in Sydney, a lot of our traditional venues kind of died, and but there's as many places to play. They're just different. They're bowling clubs or warehouse spaces or house parties or whatever. But there's heaps of stuff going on, like all the time.
Yeah, my dream. But one of the things I want to do in Sydney is go watch a Robbie gig.
Oh yeah,
like we had Robbie here, but I'm like, I don't think it's the same as going to whatever the they do in Sydney.
Yeah,
is it just?
Yeah, it's a vibe because it's. I feel like in Sydney you have to try hard. Yeah. Like you have to be good, and because there aren't all those traditional places to play, and you got to put on your own shows and sort of do all that stuff. But yeah, every time I hear some miserable guy complaining about the scene or whatever, it's just like, you just haven't been out in 20 years, dude.
Yeah, go out more.
Yeah, get out there.
Yeah, awesome. What about anything else? Apart from yours.
No, where's the rest of our runner?
Yeah, where is the rest of it? What did we forget?
No, thanks, man.
Oh, the pizzas.
You got the peanut butter, that's good.
Yeah, got the bananas as well.
I like that Ronan Keating's been here.
Yeah, there's some odd here.
Just a sneaky Tote show.
Yeah, I don't actually know who Ronan Keating is.
He's one of the judges on The Voice. Keep up, mate.
Do they still do The Voice?
What's that?
They still do The Voice?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going to be on it next year. Why are you laughing?
No, I'd actually like it. I'd enjoy it. Thank you.
Hey, man.
Awesome.
Oh, you're supposed to wrap up.
What am I meant to do?
He said wrap up, like do like a wrap up. Like you're watching.
Okay. This has been something.
Do this?
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. This is Jay from Frenzal Rhomb and Neptune Power Federation.
Yeah.
Get on that. Oh, actually, one question.
Oh, here we go.
Remember when you and Lindsay did that duo with the
Self-Righteous Brothers?
Self-Righteous Brothers with the Frogs cover?
Yeah, it hasn't aged well.
I love that record. Still got it. Never again. Or didn't you just play
Even if that's
something
not
recently?
true, I like it.
Yeah. Didn't you just play the?
No, we're about to next week.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Go to that if you're in Sydney. It's in Sydney, isn't it?
It's in Sydney, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, that's Better Totes and Gardens. He's going to play. I'm going to make sure the place doesn't get torn down.
All right.
Awesome. Yeah. Cheers, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, I'll leave this up. If you want to sign it, we're just going to stick it up. We'll,
Yeah.
It was too
I'll get the rest of them to sign it.
too good of a thing not to f***ing miss. Like the periodical thing?
Yeah, like his compendium.
The compendium?
Yeah.
So it was from that.
Oh, it's from like the
Possible thing.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. So I was like,
Oh, is that where this came from?
that's where that came from. Yeah. So I was like, well, I know we're going to get Frenzal Rhomb's first show at the time. So I was like,
Yeah.
You've dislodged Bob Log. It's alright, we found a new spot for him.
yeah.
Dale, are you part of this?
Hey, Shane.
Howard.
Shane.